Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can write vertically in Excel. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Excel and let's say you want to write vertically here. Okay. So the first thing is you have to merge these cells. Okay. So select everything, home, and click on merge and center like this. Now type your text. So let's say names, for example. Okay, now click on it, then go to this icon right here. Okay, home, alignment, and this icon. Click on it and choose vertical text. As you can see, now you can rotate text up if you want, as you can see, names, or you can rotate text down. Let's go back to vertical text like this. Now you can change its place if you want, as you can see. Here, 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 or here, as you can see. And that's it. This is how you can write vertically in Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.